Oh yeah, sounds beautiful.
Oh, Papa, no, it's annoying because it keeps shining my eyes. It doesn't look like you could fit in here.
I know.
Like the tent. Papa, you know how there was some dead cactus down there? We were gonna, for New Year's Eve, we're gonna have a fire with.
Yeah.
Papa.
You gonna walk or not?
Ah!
Shit, you alright?
Yeah. We said in full front ones.
Come on. I said Charlie needs to walk out more.
Papa, this is dangerous if you're going up this way, Papa. This.
Let's go.
This is dangerous if you're just climbing up and then, oh no, I fell!
Of course it's dangerous. Let's go.
Will you follow me?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Oops.
I had a big boot on.
What?
I'm glad I had a big boot on.
Well, this would be good for the fire.
Oh, that was dangerous.
Which one was that? Where was it?
It was just here. It was the one I was about to stand on. That's the one you stood on, I think. Jeepers. Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah. Follow me. What type of tree is this?
I don't know the trees of Mexico.
Almost actually up the mountain a little bit.
Spiky?
Yes.
He's a spiky mean plant.
Oh, we don't talk about Bruno. Papa, why does it say we don't talk about Bruno if they're just talking about Bruno?
I don't know. Yesterday. Yeah, it looks dangerous. Lots of stuff falling off the roof. See all the broken rocks?
Yeah.
I wouldn't go in that cave.
But that would fit the tent. Yeah. Let's go up. And I found some good firewood here too.
Massive daddy cactus. Okay, let's not worry about firewood now. Let's go check out
just one more.
Let's go check out daddy cactus.
Which daddy cactus? That one?
Daddy cactus.
I'm going straight for it.
Good idea. Just be careful. Keep your hand on it.
Oh, there's a super spiky bush here. I'm looking at this one though.
Oh, super spiky. Why do you think the plants are so spiky in the desert?
I don't know.
Well, if you're an animal, would you like to eat a spiky plant or a soft, juicy plant?
Oh. Let's go up. Up the mountain.
And then go. No.
Oh, that's a massive cave.
Yep. Get away from the edge. Go up and over. This is a different way than yesterday.
It is?
Yep.
Well, you still get to the big cave.
Yeah, we do. It was a more direct route.
It is?
It was more of a straight line.
Look at this bend.
Careful. What do you think?
Pretty big place.
This is a completely different route than yesterday.
It is. But it's harder to get up.
It's harder for sure.
But it's more straight.
Yeah, more direct.
How are you supposed to get up this place?
A little bit of a climb, Charlie.
I know they're safe, but my foot can't fit. Ah.
Oh, wait a sec.
It's annoying.
That's it? Okay, I'll hold your foot here. Go.
I'm almost up.
Good boy.
Now we're up.
Well.
Basically up.
On the right twice.
Twice?
Yeah,
Is it here?
I think you've done it.
Where are you? Let's go this way. Nothing's crumbly in this cave.
No, it's a nice old cave, isn't it?
Yeah, it's old.
How old is the hills, my friend?
Let's go like this way.
You think it's safe like that?
Well, pretty safe.
Straight across.
We could just do this, Papa, like, whoop, whoop, here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I think that. Yeah, definitely. I don't want it with it. I'd climb this with a rope.
Yeah, let's see what looks like on the other side of this.
Yeah, you come up there and tell me if it's safe to keep going. Or
Oh yeah, it is. It's super safe.
okay, cool. Have to remember the back.
Have a look. It's all done.
So we need to pick a landmark. How we find this place again?
Okay. You go up here the last time.
No, this is a different way.
Charlie said there was lots of cactus sticks.
When we get to the top there.
This was easy.
Yeah.
It was pretty easy.
Well, should we go down the same way we came up or go down the easier way?
The same way we came up.
Okay, so we need to remember that nice green tree.
Oh, there's even one over there. Can we go and check it out? Now let's go this way more. We're going the way you wanted to go, Papa, so follow. Well, there was one that was half alive and half dead. This game's cool. However, because this is kind of the same size as me. The tent is the same size.
Yep. Got a dead animal over there.
Where?
Something white on the ground.
There?
Quite a long way away.
This, can we go to that? Well, yeah.
We should go to the top of the mountain too.
Yeah, that's my plan.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that was my plan. Go to that well.
Okay.
Well, it's not that far away.
Is that right?
Another one, Papa.
Oh, they are. Dom's going to come here with her camera.
Yeah.
Oh, they're so cool. I'll get a different light.
Papa,
Yeah.
look, and there's another one here.
They're really beautiful.
They are. They look like palm trees. The first one would look like a palm tree.
That's awesome.
Yeah, let's go to that white thing. Where is it now?
It's just over the.
Which one?
There's fruits on this.
Hey, what type of fruits?
Well, the cactus fruit. Just here.
Can you eat them?
Well,
I want to eat some.
I don't know if you can eat them. Maybe. Just to get out of the wind.
Oh no, we're going up that mountain.
You really want to go to the very
Yeah.
top of that?
Very top.
Okay.
Hello, look at this. These cactuses are cool. Look at this, Papa, another gringo tree.
See the seeds? The seed pods here? Are there any seeds left inside them or they're all open?
Some of them do.
Yeah, what do they look like, the seeds?
They look like that.
Black balls.
Yeah, like pineapple.
Watermelon seeds.
Yeah, watermelon. Let's go up the mountain. Right?
Oh, you alright?
Yeah. Oh.
I'm coming. Oi!
No, Papa, look at this one. It has a little tiny hole. I like this one the most. What about now, Papa? Would you?
Ah. Yeah, the hole?
Papa, this looks like a paddleboard hole.
Yeah?
Yeah, but like when you put the things in.
Oi!
To the top. More succulent plants. But that's dangerous.
That
Don't.
one? Okay.
Yeah, I literally almost pushed it.
Oh yeah, look at that. That is dangerous.
Right, got to the bottom.
Look at that.
It got to the bottom.
Oh.
It got to the bottom when we first started. That looks like there was water there when it rains.
Oh, for sure.
It looks like a little pond.
Oh yeah, down there.
Yeah, down there.
It's certainly a lot greener down there than up here, isn't it?
Yes. Well, it's still super green.
Canyon that goes around.
Oh, yeah, that's a canyon. Oh, look, Papa, there's a cave. Do you think this is strong?
Well, looks pretty strong.
Oh, this actually has less wind.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
We'll have to get to the top.
We're almost there, aren't we?
Yeah. I can see the top. However, last time we could see them as well as this time.
Right.
The first time we ever did it, the boat. Ah!
get there first.
Papa, we had the race and I won the race. What I did.
You know what? The best person to compete against is yourself. And I came further today than we did yesterday.
That's a protected bay a lot. It's super windy and it's not even getting hit by wind. We have to go to the tippy top. It's over there. No, it's over there.
You know what I mean?
The boat's down there is man-made.
Oh, just like look on the ground, see if you can find like a bottle or a piece of rubbish or a mark. Maybe there's a survey mark somewhere. And there's a beautiful blue little flower here. Teensy weensy.
But that's not man-made.
No, it's not.
No, we have to go to the tippy top. You probably to the tippy top of the map.
Yeah, to the tippy top. I want to get a picture of the open sea.
I got a picture on this mountain. Of this mountain.
Yeah.
I mean a film. And you were in my movie.
Horror movie.
I know. Boom! Shakalaka boom! Papa, we have to go to the top. You promised me.
Would you like to climb the highest mountain in the world?
Yes.
Well,
It's probably Everest.
that's right.
I knew. You know how? From a show.
Well, you know what, Joseph?
I mean, yeah.
There's a few different ways to climb Everest. A lot of people use a big team of people. And
Yeah.
they take heaps of stuff. And it takes them ages.
Well,
Some people just take a backpack and they go hard.
Papa, look at this.
Like alpinism it's called. And I think it's the best way to climb for sure.
If there's another mountain behind this mountain, we have to go there. And if there's another one behind that mountain, we have to go there. And if there's another one behind that mountain, we have to go there. We're at the tippy top. And it's all different in the rocks, Papa.
They are, aren't they?
Looks like there was a volcano here. Oh, do you think there's a volcano here?
Imagine my engine. I'm going to clean my hands first because I know Henry likes to keep his stuff nice and clean.
And Henry thinks when you touch stuff, it will be broken when you have sweaty hands.
Well,
Or if you have dirty hands.
to look after stuff.
Swimming in the water doesn't take a long time and it's a good thing.